According to the CDC, for children ages 1 to 14, drowning is the second leading cause of unintentional injury death after motor vehicle crashes. But here in Southwest Missouri, volunteers are coming together to prevent tragedies on the water. The Show Me Water Safety Day is a product of a wide range of community partners and organizations coming together to provide life-saving tips. Today, kids learned about how to stay safe on and near bodies of water, which is especially timely as the summer season begins.
We have lakes, rivers, streams, pools, backyard pools, just lots of fun things that kids and adults can enjoy. So all of those can come with a certain level of danger.
To combat that danger, each child took home a free life jacket. Those will be passed out at future trainings as well. If you're interested in attending one of the other free water safety events coming up in June and July, you can check out this story over at KOAMNewsNow.com.